guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shashi and today I am doing soft glam makeup look for beginners, for college going and for office going girls. So without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, my face is totally bare. I am using hand sanitizer to sanitize my face so that it will prevent me from any facial infection. So always sanitize your hand before doing makeup. Now I am using my moisturizer. This is a Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer with SPA PA plus 24 PA plus plus. This is a good moisturizer and also prevents you from skin damage and smoothens your skin as well. So I personally like this moisturizer. Now I am using primer to prime my face. I am using little amount of primer on my finger and tap it all over my face, and it will fill up my all open pores and also give me a mattifying finish. I am using Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. This is good for oily to combination skin people. Now I am using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I am in the shade 310. This is a very good foundation and affordable too, easily available in the drugstore. So you can easily buy this foundation. It will also you can also buy this foundation from Amazon. I will put the link on my description bar below, whatever product I am using in this video for making this look. I am applying it all over my face and I am using my foundation brush and mix it well, blend it well so that it will give a even finish, even look. I am also covering my neck area so that look will be even. I am applying concealer to conceal my dark circles, blemishes and pigmentation. So you can see I have little bit of dark circle, so I'll cover all the dark circle with the concealer, and I'm taking my brush to mix it. So always dab your brush on your eye because your eye area is very soft, so always dab your brush on your eye area. Now I'm applying concealer on my forehead, bridge of my nose and chin to highlight all those parts. For doing my eyebrow, I am taking my spoolie to comb my hair so that I'll get the shape. Now I'm using my eyeshadow palette. I'll take brown color from this palette and I'll fill my eyebrow with the help of angle brush, and I'll fill all the sparse area so that it will look natural, and I'll follow my brow line. Always take the less product on front side of your eyebrow, and I will same way I'll do my other side of eyebrow. Now I have done with my eyebrow. Now again I am taking my shadow palette for doing my eye makeup. So first of all I am taking light pink shade on my eye because I want to keep this look very natural and soft. So I'm using this light pink shade for the neutral look. So in eye makeup you have to blend well so that it will give you even finish, even look, and it will give you a depth in your makeup, in your eye makeup. So always blend well if you want to see a good eye makeup. I will also do my lower lash line with the same eyeshadow, sorry. Now I am applying my kajal. This is a Lakme Absolute kajal, and I am applying it very little because I want this look very soft. I am not applying very bold kajal in this look. Now I am using Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is a loose powder, and I use this powder for my face baking. So this is a very good powder for you for the baking purpose. Baking is very important to set your makeup, and it will give you a good finish. So that's why Now again I am using my eyeshadow palette. I'll take a light brown shade for contour my face. I am also doing contouring with my palette as well. You can also do. So always use the angle brush. For moving on to the highlighting the face, I'm using Makeup Revolution palette. It consists 8 shades. 4 of them are blush and 4 of them are highlighter. First of all, I'm doing my blushing. So for blushing your face, I'm using pink shade. So always tap your brush on your face when you blush your face. Now I'm applying my highlighter through fan brush. It will gives you a glowy look. It will gives you an instant glow on your face. So I personally love highlighter. I'm also applying on my forehead, bridge of my nose, and also on my cheeks, chin. Now coming on to the most favorite part, applying lipstick. So I am using today Nykaa lipstick. This is a liquid lipstick and it is having very good pigmentation and a good formula. And I am using the shade 05. The name of this lipstick is Madras Kapi. So this is a very good shade for the person who like nude shades, and this is also suitable for medium skin people. So if you are medium skin, then you can go for this shade. This looks very pretty. Nykaa launches very good lipsticks in I forgot to apply mascara. So now I am applying my mascara. I am using Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. This is a very good mascara. It will voluminize your eyelashes and give a nice volume. So you need not to apply any fake lashes, because I personally don't like fake eyelashes. So I mostly use this mascara for my lashes. So I highly recommend this mascara to you guys. It will also affordable as well and easily available in the drugstore. I'll also apply this mascara on my lower lashes. Now it will give me a very good look. Now my look is complete. So I hope you like this look, and you and guys, if you like this soft glam makeup look, then please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also do comment if you are